Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video. And on today's episode of my video, I'm going to be teaching you how to cook Nigeria fried rice, and this is my own way of cooking it. And in doing this, I'm going to be listing the ingredients. And here I have my parboiled rice, and then I have my carrots, and I have my mango cubes, depends on the quantity you need, and I have my green beans, I have my sweet corn, I have my curry, I have my thyme, I have my liver, I have green pepper. This is a mixture of green, red, and yellow pepper. And I have my onions, and I have my turkey. Alright, right now we are going to move in with the procedure. I'm going to add in my mango cubes. You want to be my lover. Say your curry. I repeat on your father. Oh, sing me siwala. I don't want to tire. Oh, I tell my mama, tell my papa. She says sing me siwala. Depends on the quantity you want, and it depends on the quantity of what you are using. And this is my onions. Don't fall in love with me. Do what you want, but don't fall in love with me.
Stand at attention. I'm talking to you, you are respond. Give me your curry messon. How can you be asking me question? You know they look face so. It's like you don't know my name, no. Mo fẹ́ ká má date though. Èyí tó pè ní boyfriend ò lè tó. Now me say so. See I stand a balance. Because I'm the chief lieutenant. You know see my car is German. You know see the swag gallant. See many they claim my madam, but I don't know these babes from madam. They just want to follow the ladder. They know that nobody is better. She say why ain't they flex like happy gym? Make it a hope they dare they dream. You see by first to be with him. Is this a military regime? I be soldier man. I say stand at ease. Jury dollar my feet by LT. It's only me, there's no competi. How we make it rain like it's confetti. Show my body, show till love berry. How we take you and your happy. No mess up. Now I holla. I'm a Hitler. I'm a Basha. You better respect how they run the town. If you gotta go, if you turn me down, see weapon. Where you carry, come and be general. In my hammy.
So jago, do what you want, but don't fall in love with me. So jago, do what you want, but don't you fall in love with me. Mr. Soldier, me I the one that she is it by force. You the form superpower.
Yeah, I'm super. I get power. Walk back paper. Wafi shower. I get babes the age of your mama. So just stop this your drama.
See this man, I say your father.
Who ya repeat
your father, oh, see me, see wala. Don't tire.
Oh yes, now yawa where you enter. It's a one chance. I tell you no man overthrow man from this romance. Only coup d'etat.
Soldier, do what you want, but don't fall in love with me. Soldier, me I know they do. Soldier, find another boo. Just don't fall in love with me. Soldier, me I know they do. Soldier, me I know they do. So don't you fall in love. Money, don't you fall in love with me.
Always depends.
Don't you fall in love. Don't you fall in love. Yeah.
That you're going to put in. Alright. So me, what I do is that I put a little oil and I put a little butter. And this butter I'm going to be using is an Italian butter. It is called Antica Cremeria.
All the military forces. Somebody that is a road model to the younger ones. I'm the one that somebody is.
I'm going to be adding just a little. Depends on you. You can fry with only your oil or with only your butter, or you can use the both just as I'm doing. What I do is that I stir. that my oil is ready. Normally, what I do is that I add my ingredients together, then I mix it with my carrots. Earlier, I mix them together. This is my green pepper.
I get many girls with them, they come from away.
This is my green beans.
Almost go away. We just having fun. We won't
I'm not going to add the liver.
crazy guests like make this stallion. But my girlfriend they turn me on. That's why I hold on tight.
And I'm not going to be adding my sweet corn. I'm going to spice it.
Hold on tight. Hold on, yeah. That's why I hold on tight. Hold on, yeah. Hold on tight. Hold on, yeah. All the way to Niger Delta, now we get plenty ololo. Girl them not for go logo. I just want sharply take one photo before the baba them tell us to go. Oh shit, I get many girls with them they come from away. AJ boys and they like to throw away. Almost see go be. We just having fun. We won't carry on. That's why I hold on tight. Hold on, yeah. Hold on tight. Hold on, yeah.
Make we scatter this place tonight. Dance and sweat till like sin a fight. We must settle this thing tonight, yeah. Come let us catch some feelings for night, yeah. And if you tell me say make a bello, I don't go waste time but to do like so. Everybody me Joe, this go.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, our fried rice is ready. It's so yummy. Alright, see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.
I make we spend this money, not because of you.